Alright guys, so welcome, and today's shortcut is very simple. So if you have been working with Swift for some time right now, it's probable that you have a lot of structs in your code. And the best thing about structs is that once you create a struct, which has some variables inside it, Swift will automatically create a default initializer for you that takes exactly the same amount of parameters that you have created here inside your struct. And that is very good. But we know that one of the things that we most of the times are going to be doing is adding some new constructors. For instance, an empty constructor, a constructor that takes no parameters. One easy way to do it is simply to add here a constructor that takes no parameters and that initializes the variables to something. This will work and this is valid code, but if we do it this way, we're going to be not taking advantage of Swift's default initializer. So if we want to take the best of both worlds, one of the things that we can do is, instead of initializing it here and creating a new initializer, we can do something like this. Initializing all variables that we have inside the struct already. This way we can have both the constructor that takes all the parameters and have a constructor that takes no parameters. Of course, but this is only one case. What if we want to add a custom initializer that takes different parameters we specified in the struct definition? Well, that can be done through extension. If we add an extension, and in this extension here, we create a new initializer that, for instance, takes a name and a surname. We've just added a new constructor to our struct here, but with an extra bonus that we get to keep these two initializer that we got for free. So this is the best of both worlds, because now we have both the constructors that Swift provides us and the constructor that we have just created. So this is the tip, guys. So hope it helped you guys some way and helps you code a little bit faster. Thank you.